Amararaja Energy and Mobility Limited, a battery manufacturer for industrial and automotive segments. With a market cap of 14,735 crore rupees, and currently trading at 863 rupees per share. The company has an 11% CAGR for 5-year sales growth, and 10% CAGR for 5-year profit growth. The company was incorporated in the year 1985. They are based in Hyderabad, Telangana, with more than 2,200 employees, and 5,700 workers. They have 7 manufacturing units, located in Pan-India. The current production capacity of the company for two-wheeler batteries is 30 million units per annum, and 19 million units per annum for four-wheeler segment. Apart from OEMs, the company also supplies to telecom and UPS segment with 30% market share for OEM, 80% for telecom, and 40% for UPS. Some of the well-known brands of the company are Amara, GenPro, PowerZone, PowerStack, Quanta, and more. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing at a good rate. However, the profits are not increasing at the same rate due to increased operating cost. Company is optimizing its production process to reduce its spending. The promoter's holding is relatively low, however, there has been no drop in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company, which are increasing from quarter to quarter. Some clients of the company are Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai Motors, Ford India Limited, Tata Motors, Mahindra, Honda, Renault Nissan, Royal Enfield, Bajaj, and many more. Coming to some key highlights. In December 2022, company signed a memorandum of understanding with Telangana government to set up a research and manufacturing facilities in Mahbubnagar, Telangana. In January 2023, there was a fire breakout in one of its manufacturing plants in Andhra Pradesh, which caused a short-term impact on its production. Company is largest VRLA batteries manufacturer in the Indian Ocean Rim. They have 3 wholly owned subsidiaries in Middle East and India, and a network of more than 500 distributors and 1 lakh retail points. Company exports to over 50 countries, with revenue concentration of 12% from exports and 88% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.